Hello, welcome to Module 14. I'd like to give you instructions on successfully completing Module 14. Module 14 maps on to Chapter 16 of your OER, and the topic is psychological treatments. Module 14 also brings in some concepts from Chapter 15 because psychological disorders and psychological treatment tend to go hand in hand. For this module, you need to read Chapter 16 of your OER. Be sure to carefully review the Chapter 16 PowerPoints. You will also be completing Module 14 discussion board as well as Chapter 16 quiz. Also located in Module 14 is Unit 4 exam. So remember that Unit 4 exam is going to be covering multiple chapters. You'll be needing to review the chapters in the PowerPoints for Chapters 12, Chapter 14, Chapter 15, and Chapter 16. So before we end, I wanted to tell you a little bit about psychological treatment, also known as therapy. In the past, we've seen therapists trained in very specialized areas of psychological theory. Now we tend to use a more eclectic approach. This means that psychologists tend to explore early influences, which comes from Freudian theory, along with behavioralist notions of rewards and punishments. And lastly, we see many modern therapists exploring notions of positive psychology and finding unique human potential through the original theories of humanistic psychology. So although the OER presents the therapies in distinct order, I'd like you to think about modern therapies as more eclectic or treatments that tend to combine the strengths of each of the major areas of psychological treatment. So before I go, thank you for being a part of this course. I hope that you enjoyed being an online student in my psychology course. And if you need to communicate with me concerning any issues with this course, feel free to either email me directly or through Canvas. It has been a pleasure to be your professor. The best of luck in the rest of your academic studies.